I didn't make a video about getting this yet, so yeah.
You didn't do an unboxing video? Come on.
No. I was just like, hey, I'll just show it off at the range. There it is, 329 PD.
All right, if I remember.
Alrighty.
Where was it? There we go.
And because I'm a fucking pussy, I'll start. I will just put one in there because then if it
decides to break your wrist, you're good.
If it scares me or blows the hair off my vagina, at least I can
Then that's when you just go back to the 454.
Yeah, right. I don't know why I'm so fucking worried. It's a goddamn 44 Magnum. Come on.
You want to move the chrono over, maybe? It's kind of offset,
like
but or not.
Are you ready, sir?
Let's go. 1084.
That's it. All that build up, all those goddamn videos I've seen where guys are like, whoa, oh man, whoa. Really?
1084. That's pretty much.
People are afraid to shoot this.
That's pretty much what my gun's putting out is 10. It's a little over 10.
Like that's the worst thing. I should have left the fucking wooden grips on this thing. That was awesome. Got my ammo bucket. My fucking spent shells dream machine.
Load her up.
Fuck, man.
I got it.
You guys are fucking pussies if you can't handle this shit. I will hammer this thing all fucking day long. That was awesome. That was a fistful of excellence right there. These are full fucking Magnum loads, guys.
Yeah, I know.
20.
You do have to remember. You do have to remember that, unlike most people, you are built like a large Viking. So.
Well, I mean, there is that.
I'm just saying. I mean, we'll see. I'll shoot it. You shoot it. Yeah. I'll shoot it after. I'm the average size person.
I mean, but
I don't look like I should have got off a ship.
Like 20. What is it? 20 some. I think it's exactly. No, it's 20 and a half grains. Yeah, something like that. 20 or just under. It's like 20 grains of fucking Winchester 296.
Nice.
Full, bottom of the. The full house Magnums, but not like fucking crazy.
1077. 1079. 1047. 1105. There we go. 1023. That aired out. You were awful close.
Man, I am getting my fucking CCW for this gun. That's
1066. God. That was your average.
Like butter, like greased butter.
I know. That's what I was saying. It's good.
That was like bacon dipped in butter. It was fucking awesome. You got to get on this thing, guy.
All right.
That is just, man. 1082.
That's not bad at all, actually.
No, not even kinda. Oh, I think it erred on that one.
Yeah, you know why? I fucking skimmed it.
Oh, did you?
Fucking straight up skimmed it. So I'm gonna shoot up close.
Whoops. All right.
See that?
Kinda. Yeah, it aired out. Hold on. All right, you're good. Oh, you're too close. That's why it aired out. It's probably, yeah. Clear, clear, clear. God damn it, clear. There we go.
Good.
Nope. Off. On. There we go.
Actually, I think I got one left.
Do it. Do it now. Error. God damn it. Huh. It's weird. Alrighty. Oh. I think that's actually the thing. Oh no, that is a fucking...
Right there, dude.
That is a skimmer.
Right there.
Yeah, a little bit on
It
that one
fucking
there.
melted it.
And a little bit on that one there.
God.
Well, you know, it'll happen.
No, I saw it. I was like, oh, that seemed a little close.
All right, so that's the 329 PD. Here we have the beautiful 29-8. God, I fucking love this gun. Well, so let's compare this to the lightweight.
What? Fuck you.
It's still aired
Hold
up.
on.
Isn't
Hold on.
it?
Something. Hold on.
It's like the fucking biggest
Moth.
moth I've ever seen. Good to go?
No, hold on. I wonder if something got jarred. One of those wires got jarred. Hold on.
It's easy enough to...
Well, it should recalibrate itself. Air.
I mean, everything's seated in it correctly.
Fucking serious? Come on.
Safe handling.
Not muzzling me this time?
Well, you know,
Something.
it's a smaller caliber anyway.
Fair enough.
Baby.
You got a med kit. What'd you bring the med kit for?
I mean, fuck, we're good to
Jerk.
go.
All right,
I mean,
now let's try this
I don't know
again.
how to use any of that shit, but you know.
Put the bandage over the hole. Call the doctor.
Well, there's that part. Good to go, huh?
Let's try it. We'll see again. I don't know. That's weird. Nope.
Yeah, I don't care. Oh, one more.
Something.
Yeah, you better get a couple on this one too, because it's just this one's so much fun to shoot. Shoot. You might think about trimming that thing off your face. Yeah, nope. Get you pull. Okay, so how do I clear the error?
Should have press and hold clear for 5 seconds and
Oh.
cleared. Should being the opportune word there.
Because
Not doing it.
all it's doing is just not blinking anymore. And then I let go and it blinks.
Should not be doing it. Obviously, I guess, but
I just turned it off.
I need you to turn it off and then turn it back on.
Turn it on. Alrighty.
Because start stop is easy to fix. Start.
Well, you just errored it by taking those out.
I know.
Off. On.
I wonder if something got jarred.
Doesn't help that they're all fucking tangled together. Yeah, no, that's right. That's where they should be.
Try that.
We are professionals. Try this at home.
Right? Ready?
Ready as I'm ever going to be.